very good morning to all of you. I take this opportunity to present to you our college, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research, and our trust, Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust. Our trust, let me begin. Our trust was established in the year 1990 by Shri S.B. Patil sir, along with a close group of trustees. The number of institutions run by our trust are Pimpri Chinchwad Polytechnic, established in the year 1990, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering in the year 1999, Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research, this very institution, in the year 2014, S.B. Patil Institute of Management in the year 2009, S.B. Patil College of Architecture and Design in 2014, S.B. Patil College of Science and Commerce, established in 2014, and S.B. Patil Public School in the year 2012. Our college has a vision that we want to be a premier institute of technical education and research to serve the need of the society and all the stakeholders. It is our mission to establish state-of-the-art facilities, to create an environment resulting in individuals who are technically sound, having professionalism, research and innovative aptitude with high moral and ethical values. In this effort, we are led by our principal sir, Dr. Harish Tiwari, who has his MTech and PhD in mechanical engineering. We have 4 branches, 5 departments. The Department of Applied Science is headed by Professor Tushar Gaikwad. The Department of Mechanical Engineering is headed by Professor Shyam Mankar. The Department of Electronics and Telecommunications Engineering is headed by Dr. Rahul Mapari. The Department of Computer Engineering is headed by Dr. Archana Chaudhary Madam. And the Department of Civil Engineering is headed by Professor Sudarshan Gope. We have a vibrant and opportunistic campus. We have well-equipped labs, well-equipped classrooms, computer labs, workshops, library with thousands of volumes, recreation hall, our own bus facility for students who commute from far. We have our own hostel facility and canteen facility. At PCCIR, we run our education in 5 dimensions. The first is academics, second is research and innovation, extracurricular activities for students' development, ethics and national pride, and training and placement. We believe that the overall development of a student happens through these 5 pillars. In academics, we run using 5 guidelines: strict academic monitoring, a mentor scheme, counseling and motivating students, regular and strict examinations, and focusing on slow learners. Our academics includes strict and regular practicals and lectures. We monitor our attendance very strictly. We give students practice assignments, and at the end of each course we have a crash course for that particular subject. The university actually expects 75% attendance for a minimum, but we want our students to be 100% present with us. Those students who are absent, we send SMS after every lecture to their parents. Defaulters are listed after every 15 days, and we send physical letters to parents of these defaulter students every month. Some students lag behind in studies. For such slow learners, we have extra lectures, re-examinations or retests. We give them solution sets for different questions, and if required, we go for individual counseling. In addition to all this, we try to regularly arrange sessions for how to study, how to remain fit, inculcating human values, and how to set their goals and careers. Another important dimension for a student's development or an individual's development is research and innovation. We believe that research and innovation is the only pathway towards a futuristic and developed society. To develop this habit of research, we have various clubs like vehicle design, racing car design, electric vehicle design, and numerous other student motivated clubs through student bodies such as MESA for mechanical engineering, CESA for civil engineering, CCube for computer engineering, ITSA for ENTC engineering, and even PESA for first year engineering students, including all branches. In addition to this, for many years now, we have been successfully running the activity of project-based learning, where students get the opportunity to select their own problem and solve that problem and search for resources on their own to solve that problems. An important part of research and innovation is patent and copyrights. PCCR has filed till date more than 175 patents, out of which 100 are student patents. Even a group of housekeeping staff has filed a patent. In this, again, we are leading, our principal sir leads with more than 45 patents. We have not stopped only at filing patents, but we are also guiding others and creating a social awareness about patents, copyrights and intellectual property rights. We have filed more than 250 copyrights and have more than 400 research publications. We have made a world record of filing 149, almost 150 copyrights in a single day, and we hold this record till date. The next dimension for a person's individual's development is extracurricular activities in his or her life. Our student motivated activities include some of the opportunities which students get. For example, students have displayed their art in Rangoli competition, and students display various their talents in our yearly annual gathering. Then our students not only perform in our college, but our drama clubs are performing in prestigious drama competitions such as Firodia Karandak, you might have heard this, Gadkari Karandak. We have also got an opportunity in this pandemic by displaying and creating awareness through art about COVID-19. We celebrate literary days. For example, Marathi Day celebration is an important part of our yearly routine. Various other extracurricular activities like wall magazines. Then again, along with art, sports is also an important dimension for a person's development as a team performer. We have our own teams, basketball team, football team, cricket. The next part, with all these activities and qualities, it is extremely important that a person has a solid ethics and a sense of national pride. To develop this, it is our daily routine to recite the national anthem, followed by a 10-minute yoga session before the lectures. As part of our social responsibility, students take initiatives visiting orphanages and old age homes in the vicinity, not only donating essentials but also spending quality time with those people. Then, as part of our social responsibility and national service, we have our national service scheme. The NSS unit of PCCR was established in the year 2015. It comprises of 50 volunteers and it actively works through various social works. For example, we have conducted blood donation camp many times. Then we participate in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan of our nation building. Then we are active in tree plantations, celebrating Yoga Day. The most important part for a NSS volunteer is the yearly NSS 7-day camp, where the student volunteer interacts with the villagers, creates social awareness about various government schemes which people don't know. Then another dimension, and very important, for which an engineer or any student comes to professional institutions like ours, is training and placement. We have a very vibrant training and placement cell, a very active cell, a central placement cell of our trust, headed by Professor Dr. Sheetal Kumar Ravandare sir. The aim of the training and placement cell is not only placing students to industry, but also increasing the interaction between institute, academic institutions and industry. We have placed more than 23,000 students, not only in Pune, Maharashtra, but also all over India. More than 250 companies visit our campus every year. Some of our recruiters are ZF India, 30 lakhs package, Konica about 15 lakhs, HSBC about 12 lakhs. Next slide. All these efforts are reflected in our achievements. In the first year when we were instituted, in the year 2014-15,
out of 125 colleges of the Pune University, we were 22nd among those colleges. So this was a great achievement even in the first year. Within a short span of 3 years, we reached within the top 5 in the Pune University. Our aim remains to be at the top. These results are not only in our first year academics but also through all our years. For example, our B result in the last year was 100% among all departments. The students placement, if we look, in the last year we have placed out of 226 eligible students have got more than one offer. So we have got 242 offers for 226 students. Some of our offers within some of our students who have been placed in the last years, these years are having packages of about 15 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 10 lakhs, and these are our basically achievements. We have been awarded as the most result-oriented college by Primetime Global Education Award. Not only as a college, but as individual placements, our students do shine at various platforms. For example, a United Nations collaboration All India Essay Competition, one of our students, Ms. Nehal, bagged 9th rank at state level. In elocution competition, our students Chinmay and Samruddhi bagged the trophy, that is the top place, Dr. Arvind Telem trophy. Our NSS unit has been able to gather more than 300 volunteers for blood donation, planted more than 400 trees, and has been selected in the prestigious Unnat Bharat Abhiyan as our Prime Minister's initiative to develop model villages.